Okay, so here's something that happens to almost everyone, but almost nobody can explain. You're listening to a song, maybe one you've heard 100 times, and then, out of nowhere, your skin prickles. Goosebumps race up your arms. A shiver runs down your spine. That feeling even has a name. Scientists call it frisson. And it turns out, your brain is doing something absolutely extraordinary when it happens. Here's the wild part. Frisson is actually your brain making a mistake. A beautiful, wonderful mistake. See, your brain is constantly predicting what comes next in music. Every beat, every chord, every note. It builds a tiny model of the future. And when something violates that prediction, a note hits differently, the key shifts, a voice cracks. Your brain fires off a surprise signal. And that signal triggers your body's emotional alarm system. The same one that handles fear, the same one that handles awe. Your skin literally reacts like it's bracing for something big. But here's where it gets really interesting. Not everyone gets frisson. About 30 to 40% of people experience it regularly. And researchers found that the people who do actually have more connections between their brain's auditory cortex and the areas that process emotion. Their brains are literally wired differently. Music doesn't just entertain them, it physically moves them. Now you might be thinking, wait, so what kind of music causes it? And the answer is, it's not about the genre. It's about tension and release. A sudden silence before a massive chorus. A key change that lifts a song, somewhere you didn't expect. A high note that pushes right past comfortable. Think about the last song that gave you chills. I bet there was a moment where the music did something you felt before you understood. That gap between what your brain predicted and what actually happened, that is the chills. And here's the part that blew my mind. Researchers at McGill University scanned people's brains while they listened to their favorite chilling moments in music. The scans showed dopamine flooding the brain, the exact same chemical released when you eat food you love or fall in love with someone. Music gives your brain a chemical reward, not because it's useful, not because it helps you survive, but just because it's beautiful. Here's something even wilder. The anticipation of the chill releases dopamine before the moment even arrives. Your brain rewards itself just for expecting the goosebumps. That's why a song you already know can still give you chills. Your brain remembers the moment is coming and starts celebrating early. So next time the hairs rise on your arms during a song, that's not just a feeling, that's dopamine. That's prediction. That's 10,000 neurons firing in sync because something in that melody reached a part of your brain that words alone never could. Music is the only thing humans invented that hijacks the brain's deepest reward system, for no reason other than pure experience. And that is kind of miraculous. Next time, we'll look at why your brain gets a song stuck in your head for days, and the one trick that actually makes it stop.